Smile evening. Smile evening to everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Smile evening. Okay.
Smile evening, ma'am.
Smile evening. I hope you all are studying, revising your lessons. Because each day you will find that your subject is going deep. And if you don't revise your previous lesson, then it is difficult to catch next. Okay. So now, yesterday you had a question you can ask.
Smile evening, ma'am.
Smile evening. So before I start my next lesson, please ask your question. Yesterday someone was asking question.
Yes, ma'am, I want to ask.
Please.
Ma'am, in previous notes, like in older books, brain meridian ending point was showing in the middle tip of the finger. Yesterday you told that it is at the end of the nail. Ma'am, where it is exactly? I did not understood. Like near the index finger or near the ring finger?
See, middle finger, you are talking about classical meridians, body meridian.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that brain meridian is in the center of arm. And from inside, when you see, it is the tip of the finger.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But also yang side, that towards the nail. You saw yesterday that picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when we have to stimulate, whenever we are stimulating, it is better that you stimulate that yang point for brain.
Where it is exactly?
See, it is crossing this tape. Okay, I will show you just a moment. I will show you one picture which has big view. Just give me 1 minute. I'll share with you now. Sharing that picture. Wait. Just a moment, please. Opening. It is buffering. Wait. Day one. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is big picture now. And pericardium is brain, triple bomber is spinal cord. So these are Chinese meridian. And actually, from Suzhou point of view, all meridians ending point are your fingertips. And this is Chinese concept, Chinese view. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So you, and then foot picture also, you can see ending point on foot. I hope it is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday we touched this. We touched meridian world, and because yesterday we were focusing one by one. You have to practice as a beginner. You have to practice one by one, and then after you understand all meridians pathways, then you should also have a view of seeing all meridians together. Now, one point you have to notice that head, when you see from top view, after understanding all meridians, on the head you will never see yin meridian. Can you see yin meridian here? This is just for some, analysis. You can observe that there is no yin meridian on the head. TE is triple warmer. Yes, you see here, ear meridian point, not ear meridian, near the ear, small intestine. TE is spinal cord meridian. And your see end of the eyebrow like this. So anyway, these, as I told you, that it is not very important to learn all zigzags, but you should have general idea that which meridian, if patient is having pain, then which meridian is passing here. And sometimes 2-3 meridians are nearby, so you can catch that. You can just have you should have this idea that what all meridians are there in one zone. If you have tried one, first you will try the master focus. Like patient says that I have pain here, doctor. So you see, this is gallbladder meridian, this is your main meridian. But then if not getting result, then you know that little bit down is spinal cord meridian. TE, this is typing error. TW, but also we are not using TW, we are using spinal cord meridian. So you have to remember all meridians, so that if you're not getting a result from one meridian, then you can jump to the neighbor meridian. Yes. So anyway, initially as a beginner, I will not tell you to learn this way, seeing all meridians all together. One by one, you have to master. And as I told you that you take printout of all these dummies, like I showed yesterday, and then you can lay out on your clinical table under the glass, or you can get it lamination. You can get this lamination. And now now our concern is, because yesterday we studied the roles of meridian. What are the 3 roles of meridians? First role, pathway treatment. Yes, like if person treatment, pathway treatment. Pathway, now you have understood these map. You are working on body map, you are not working internal organs. First role is pathway. If I say first role, it does not mean that this is a priority treatment. Number 1 is just for writing something, something we have to write. So you can write organ first, or you can write energy first. So status wise, I have not introduced 1, 2, 3. It is just 3. All 3 are the same. Same means this meridian can treat all 3, can do all 3 roles effectively. So pathway is in body map. If patient can explain, then doctor, I have been here or here or here or here or here, it means that he is showing some pathway. And then you, after diagnosing on body level, you will come here on Sujuk level and do treatment. Second is organ criteria. Each meridian is connected to organ. Like, for example, patient says, I have stomach problem, you choose stomach meridian. Liver problem, liver meridian. Spinal cord organ, spinal cord meridian. Brain organ problem, brain meridian. Kidney organ, UB organ. So all organs have connected meridian. So you can choose meridian. Third is energy level. If patient has any disharmony, for example, we sometimes say high fever. Now high fever, what is this? Some diseases you will see in this format, high fever. Now high fever is not indicating pathway. High fever, it is not on one line. Also high fever, where is high fever? Whole body level. So here we are not finding pathway. It is not making connection with pathway. It is not making connection with organ. Internally, actually, everything is interconnected. That is another thing. But first view is like energy means, when we talk about 6 energies, wind, heat, hotness, humidity, dryness, and coldness, 6 energies. So heat energy, fever. I'm giving you one example. How it can help in energy treatment means, if person has energy related disease, for example, high fever. High fever is heat energy. Yes. And first day you have practiced that which meridian is related to heat. Which meridian is related to heat? Then you will do further research. Okay, oh, this disease is heat energy. Then which meridian is connected to heat. Now you don't know about characteristics of six energies. I will give you some glimpses after finishing my main level 2 class. And then you can also use energy based treatment. So, three roles you have to remember: pathway, organ, and energy. And in this course, first you be strong with pathways and organs. Don't jump, because this is also big journey. You will see now. From today, our treatment pattern will start. This is also big journey. If you straight away jump to energy world, you will miss your foundation. Many people, they jump and they miss their foundation. You have to go very systematically. Okay, so you should be very clear with your concept that in this class I have to master pathways and I have to master organ related diseases. If energy related diseases coming, yes, with few glimpses, because I will give you few examples, few glimpses. If you can understand under that chapter, you can go ahead with your treatment. But if you cannot understand, then you have to wait, and you have to wait for third level, because third level is full of energies. That is actually 6 key again, and then in level 4 we will go medical, we will touch medical base also, and then level 3 we will touch metaphysical world, chakra world. So many things are there. Yes, so your concept should be very clear: organ and pathway. So now, treatment part. Again, to do treatment we should know various rules and regulations, because in our system, Sujoki or Meridian Sujoki system, our treatment says tonification or sedation. If energy is excessive, we sedate. If energy is deficient, we tonify. Now, energy, okay, also we say like this. And I will give you all glimpses, all ideas how to recognize that pathway. This in this pathway, and in this meridian now is excessive, or this meridian is deficient. How to analyze, to realize this, we will study. All this will come under treatment chapter, and then from today we are starting, and then you will, until the last day, we will be studying all details related to treatment. That is why some part of your question, maybe some question pop up in your mind, maybe answer is coming in next chapter, because now all coming days we will be focusing treatment part only. You will touch all deeper dimensions of treatment part. First thing is, now you have to know how the energy flows in the body. First, we have understood the placement of meridians, and now in this meridian, how energy is flowing. Some energies are coming from, because direction is the criteria. Yes, each organ has direction. For example, large intestine. In large intestine, energy is flowing from appendix to sigmoid, and then last finishing in anus area. Respiratory system, nose, then windpipe, then chest, stomach, starting point of stomach, then end, then duodenum, like this. So, direction is there. Always there. Without direction, energy cannot move. And our tonification and sedation, these two things are based on the direction. So direction of energy circulation is very, very important to master tonification and sedation. Now, energy actually is circulating between the sky and the earth. Remember this: sky and the earth. So all, as I told you, that these meridians are metaphysical, and these meridians are interacting with the environmental energies. So and so in environment also we have sky energy, we have earth energy, and in middle we are floating, we are moving. So our meridians are also expressing sky energy and earth energies. Now, if I ask question, uh, can you give me answer which meridians which meridians can, though you can see this picture and you can give me answer, which meridians are connected to sky energy and which meridians are connected to earth energy? Because we have yang meridians and yin meridians. What do you think? Which meridian can contact sky energy and which meridians can contact yin energies?
Ma'am, yang energies can connect with sky as hetero power they have,
Yes,
and yin can connect with earth.
yes. So, very easily understood because yang is hetero, male. Earth, earth is like in India also we say Mother Earth, Dharti Ma. Ma, mother, female, yin. Simple. Yes. So yin energy makes connect or makes connection with the earth energy, and yang meridians make connection with the sky energy. It makes sense. Hmm? Yang meridians with sky energy and yin meridians with earth energy. Externally, it looks that yang energy with sky and yin meridian with the earth, but yes, direct connection, it is correct for making direct connection, but internally it is all mixed up and it is unified deep inside. Yang energy comes from the sky, yin energy comes from the earth, and they are merged inside, and it is neutralizing because yang is hetero and yin is homo, and neutral is like mixing of yang and yin so that energy is not mm, extreme yang or extreme yin. But we should know that how energy enters in our body. So yin energies, when we lift up our arms like this in this position, you know that your feet, yin surface is touching the ground, and all earth energy, mother energy, yin energy, female energy immediately comes in contact with the yin meridian. Even you don't touch your feet also, sleeping also, but the direction is open. Earth energy is all the time flowing, and the yin meridians are ready to receive. So yin meridian receives energy from the earth, and yang meridian, like when I say yang meridian, it means just focus extremities, because expression of yin and yang is very good on the level of extremities, because in central body yin and yang all meridians are mixed up. You saw yesterday central yin meridian, you saw in front also. Yes. So yin also, you saw yang meridian in the front. So, but in extremities, very good clarity. Yang meridian on the nail side, darker side, yang surface, yin meridian on the yin surface. Then earth energies enter through yin meridian from the foot. Yang meridians enter through yang meridians and from the arm. Or we can say, and then internally it is mixed up. Now we how do we say that legs receives on the yin side, leg receives yin energy, and on the yang side, arm receives the yang energy. And I also told you there is another word to describe yin and yang, that is a and Okay, I should remove this. A and Yes, so you will understand more as I go next. So this picture is showing that how yin energies enter your body. See, that is why it is advised that you should also sometimes walk bare feet so that you can connect with the Mother Earth, yin energies, especially people those who have hetero diseases, high blood pressure, yang type of yang is, you know, like high fever and high blood pressure and extra mental activities. This is all expansion. This is all hetero diseases. This is all yang diseases. And it is very good that early morning walk bare feet, walk bare feet on the grass, and especially when there are dewdrops on the grass. Very good, because very good feeling of yin energy. Yin energy, excessive of fire is inside, excessive of yang energies inside means deficiency of yin. Yes, though I told you that even you are in lying position, earth is all the time throwing its energy, all the time throwing its energy, and not only we are receiving yin energy, but all existence are receiving both energies. So our leg, it will travel through our leg, yin side, okay, yin surface of hand. But if we directly sorry, this internet issue, and again, just a moment. Trying to open my video. Some internet issue. Can you see the slide?
No,
Hello.
ma'am.
Slide you can see, ma'am.
The same slide. It is yin energy we receive from the earth, walk barefoot on the green grass.
Yes, we can see that, sir. We can see that slide. Some error is coming. It is not moving. Just give me few seconds. I'll log out and rejoin.
Yeah, log out and come back again.
Okay, ma'am.
But again, slide is not appearing. Just a moment.
Yeah, now slide is appearing. Principle of Sujok Key Therapy. Yeah, slide has come up now.
Yes, sir.
Yang energies from the sky, you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yang energies we receive from the sky. So these yang energies, and you can feel that the sky is like hollow, earth is solid, dense. Yes. So you can feel the difference. Like I told you how to recognize yang organ and yin organ. Yin organs are solid and yang solid and dense. Yang organs are hollow. For example, large intestine is like a tube, small intestine is like a tube, gallbladder is like a sac, stomach is like a sac, hollow. So there is a hollow, there is a space inside. That is why food come and go like this. So these organs are hollow. That is why we say yang organ. Brain is solid organ, heart is solid organ, liver is solid organ, dense organ like earth. So now you can correlate that why our teacher said that yang organ is yeah, hollow and yin organ is solid. So idea is that yang energy sky, yang energy enters via uh, arms, because also why arms? When you see body in two levels, and diaphragm line is the center line which divides body into upper and lower level, and arms are part of the chest, legs are part of the abdomen. So this upper part, like yang sky, the upper part is towards the sky, more closer to the yang world or sky world, and the and body parts below the diaphragm line are more closer to the earth. Yes, that is why arm we consider arm to receive yang energies. Arms uh, arms are used, means arm yang meridians, yang sky energy come inside, and via foot yin meridians, earth energy come inside the body. So you will see many pictures to understand how these energy enters in our body. So I like to say like this: energy gate, energy gates of yang meridians, energy gates of yin meridian. So when you see this first picture, and these blinking stars, these blinking stars are indicating of energy gate, means yin energy enters the body via foot, or we can say leg, yin meridians. And then second picture, this is the back view. Sky or yang energy enters the body via arm, yang meridian. Once again, so now in Sujok, okay, finally we have to transfer this on Sujok platform. Once you have developed this understanding that that energy on the yin side come inside the body through the legs. After understanding on body level, then we have to transfer on Sujok platform, Sujok body. So these red triangles means energy gate. This is like, trying to focus. Here are the energy gates for yin meridian. Specifically, you have to focus that this slide is showing the energy gate of yin meridians. How energy is entering our body on yin side or in yin meridians. So yin meridians will come, or yin energy will come via legs. So as a result, how energy now, because pipelines are fixed, please understand. Pipelines you have mastered yesterday. These are the pathways, these are the pipelines. Now inside these pipelines energy is flowing. Inside these pipeline, water, river, or path, once pathway is decided, now something is flowing. The roads are clear now. Car driving, car is, moving on the road like this. So energy is moving in these pipelines. So how energy is moving? Energy is also moving, following particular direction. So see, this is red. This triangle means you can imagine this is energy. And energy, see my arrow moving. Energy comes from the leg, and then leg. See, first see in the main body, leg, and then it crosses the central body, then go to arms like this. Yes, so leg to arm. But you see, in our body we have no interrupted flow. There is always a connection between yin and yang. It is not that earth energy continuously, new energy is coming, and then it goes backside like this, leg to arm, and then it will go backside. Same way, from yang side energy is coming inside our body from arm, and then it will come to inside. Now we'll see one by one. Okay, you will understand. So see my arrow. Because in body there is a difference between uh, sujok body. Difference, I cannot say a lot of difference, but when we say hand is similar to human body, it is similar, it is not same. I told you so many times that our hand has very strong similarity of body, but at the same time, I never said that hand is same. Yes, highest degree of similarity is available on the hand. That is why we see treatment results. The in level 1 I told you uh, the benefit of similarity. When two things are similar, energy exchange is very strong. So in body, what happens? You see my arrow. Energy moves from leg. When I say leg to arm, but in between we have trunk part also. But because of our special hand design, finger design, here in Sujo energy, you see how it is moving, because little bit difference. It will directly, you see, energy moves from leg to arm like this. See, leg. And internally these U-turns are actually inside body. What is happening? This U-turn is doing big role. It is all this pathway. It will cover this pathway. Sujo hand is nature of body, and that is why when it is small, it is doing exactly like big body. So now energy flows from leg to arm like this. Please remember this flow, because our treatment, because we have to apply magnet on this, with this understanding. If we don't know how energy is coming inside our body, you see, one example I'll give you. Let's say in some meridian, those rules I will tell you step by step, that how you will recognize energy meridian is excessive or deficient. But for example, to make you understand that why these directions are important, let's say if person has this is liver meridian. Yes, middle line is liver meridian, and we diagnose that liver meridian is excessive. Now what we have to do? Excessive means, first we have to know that the door is here. Yes, the door is here, red triangle, you see the door is here, and energy is directly coming. And if we say that energy is excessive, it means from the door lot of energy is coming, lot of energy. Because also we cannot say lot of energy. Environment or universe is very beautiful and harmonious, because of our internal disharmonized system, because of our lifestyle like this maybe. So our meridian is sucking extra energy from outside. Yes, so sucking, as a result, lot of energy is coming inside the body. This is excessive energy coming inside the body, which is causing some liver disease like liver inflammation. Sometimes we talk hepatitis. Later we will discuss, but I'm just giving you an example. So now, if you know the gate, that energy is coming this side, from this side continuously, heavy dose. Yes, then what we will do? For example, in your consciousness, you already have a plan that, okay, I should shut the door. Yes, if you know the energy gate, I should shut the door, or energy is coming like this. So maybe I will, because see, energy is coming from this side, then I have to push this energy to the gate that I want more energy, go back. And how you will, because you know the door, unwanted guest come, then maybe you are uh, pushing them towards the, no, you get out, but where is the door? Yes, you know in your house where is your door, your door, outside door. So unwanted guest, you will say, okay, go this way. So it means this is also direction. If you if you are new to this house, you don't know the door, then how you will say get out? So many rooms here, so many doors here. So idea is, this is just an example, but idea is, if unwanted guest come, you will say get out, but how, where, which direction you will say. For this reason, you should know the energy gate. With our magnet technique, we are again pushing this unwanted guest towards the door, get out. And same way, if if meridian is weak, for example, liver is weak, some cirrhosis and fatty liver functions very weak, cannot digest food, it means you need, means you need here, like you can say some wanted, now you want guest, or maybe you want some energy from outside, you need help from outside, you need help from friends, and then maybe like you need help, someone should come to my home and should nourish me like this. So what you will do? Yes, you will open the door, please come inside, because I need energy, I need something. Or okay, let's not talk energy. If you need something, yes, if you order something, you have to open the door so that this person can deliver the thing you want. So you have to again open the door, so that that thing you can receive, it can come inside like this, you can receive like this. So for this reason, you should know the door. If we don't want something, we have to throw out of the door. If we want something, we have to open the door, and this, and remember direction. Throwing out is this way. Receiving is, welcoming is this way. But this and this you can do only when you know the door. If you don't know the door, you cannot do this, you cannot do this. Not just this direction in this kind of technique in random direction. No, you have to do it when you can do it only when you know the main door, energy gate. Main door means main gate. In home you have many gates, oh sorry, many doors, but main gate is one. Okay, so here also all these junctions, all these but main door is one. For example, see on the yin side. Okay, let me draw. I'll draw. Okay, so this is your main door, leg. Let's say leg. So this is your main door, because inside earth is here. Let's say this is earth. From earth, energy is coming, and then this is the main door. See, from leg to, see, from leg 2, and it takes U-turn and it comes to arm again. Leg to arm. See the direction. This is the earth. This side, leg to arm. Okay. Now main door is this one. This is main door. Main door is this one. But when it comes in the arm, here, this side, it enters from here also, but it is not main door. So again, now see how I'm moving. Energy, this is first of all, earth means inside. Earth means inside. This is broad. So yin energy, leg to, so this is main door, leg to arm. So in arm also energy is coming. It will cross this junction. It will reach the arm. But on the inside, main door is this. And this is in your room, there are many doors. So this is also one more door, but this is also one more door, but this is the main door. So in leg, for example, if you are treating any meridian in leg, you should know the door, because now you know the doors. You know the door, main gate, main room door. This is the main room. And then you know the door of bedroom also. Yes. So entrance and exit, you are doing from door. So you have to focus in this finger, in this leg finger, while doing tonification and sedation, you will focus. So while doing tonification and sedation, you will focus this door. And in arm, while doing tonification and sedation, you will focus this door. How to do? I haven't started yet. Door story. This is energy gate story. Okay, so just keep your focus here. Don't jump. Next is, now see, yang side. Previous, this slide is based on the yin energy. That is why, see, your focus is on the legs, earth. Now, middle two fingers are legs, and this is the earth. So energy is coming from the leg. Now I keep my leg like this, or like this, or like this. No problem. Yin energy will always interact with the leg meridian first. Okay. So that is why you see this direction. You can see this direction also, no problem. Now I will show next slide. Yang. This is yang, sky energy. See, sky energy. This is yang, sky energy. The rule for meridian is it moves from the sky, and it comes from, enters the body to leg, arm to leg. So that is why door is here. In Sujok, this is the arm. This is the arm. So energy is coming like this. Arm to leg. Let me take red. Arm to leg. See how I am moving. I started from here. Arm to leg. Arm to leg. Arm to leg. So on the yang side, Main door is this side on the tip of arms. And then when it is making U-turn, this is second door. But main door, you know, where is this? So as a result, when you see this entire picture, you will see this story. Always when you see the hand picture, please focus. Is it nail side or this side? Yin side or yang side? Nail side means yang. Without nail is yin. So this picture is without nail. So this is means leg. These are your energy gate. Yang side, arms. These are your main energy gate. Now you have to practice energy gate. Arm. Yes. So now your focus is clear. On the inside, main gate, leg, towards leg. And now you start moving from leg to arm. From leg to arm. Hand, same story. Leg, arm. Leg to arm. Yang side, arm to leg. And these blue arrows are also telling the same story. Arm to leg. See how my red line is moving?
Full slide show karo. There is a very small thing. नीचे जो slide show है right हाँ यहाँ. Yes.
Then drawing is, I cannot do drawing without. Now I cannot see that tools, drawing tools. I will show on my iPad also, don't worry. Because now I have drawing tools, but in slideshow I cannot do it. So I will share my iPad also.
You can also increase the size of the slide from this bottom.
Like this.
55. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this size? Increased?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, good. Thank you. Now, again, see different models of hand, whether you see like this or like this, you should know in all condition. Because you are master in basic system level 1, you know that this is leg, yin surface, this is yin hand, and energy gate is here. Energy comes from leg to arm. Yang side, this is energy gate. Arm to leg. So this picture is like, arm to leg. Now I'll show on my hand. Wait. Just a moment. Oh. Can you see what I'm drawing on the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Make it slideshow, otherwise it is very small.
Okay, just a moment. Okay, I will share my iPad. So the sizes. So Can you see my iPad clearly? Just a moment, please. I want to solve a technical situation. Connecting with my iPad now, and I will teach you manually also. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay. Yes, it is there. Share screen. Now, please let me know. Can you see clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We can see the slide.
Very good. And it is clear for you? Good view you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is our routine. So let's practice on this. Now I will draw energy gate. This is yin hand. Oh. So this is yin hand and this is yang hand. No, sorry, this is yang hand. But this is left and this is right. Both are yin hand because we have to learn on both hand. Rule says yin side circulation. Let us write. On the yin side, energy flows from leg to arm. On the yang side, energy flows from arm to leg. Is this simple now? So yin side and yang side. On the yin side, energy flows from leg to arm. On the yang side, energy flows from arm to leg. So, on the yin side, this is your middle two fingers are your legs. This becomes your energy gate. See this room. Earth energy. Now, energy comes like this, leg. And these are primary fingers, these are secondary finger. So primary to primary, leg. See how I'm moving to arm. This side, leg to arm. Leg to arm. Leg to arm. So this becomes your main energy gate. Main energy gate. And this is like, further next door, because in this finger energies come. Final energy is this one. Main energy is this gate. Main gate is this gate. And this is because it is taking U-turn. So in this finger, for this finger, this becomes the energy gate. Because of this U-turn. Again, because why I am focusing this again and again, if you understand this, then tonification, sedation, very quickly you can learn. Very quickly. Because our all treatment are based on the tonification, sedation, focusing the energy gate. So on the inside, you should know main energy gate, and second, due to U-turn, you will find second energy gate, but it is not main gate. It is the gate, but not main gate. Main gate is this on the inside, and this is like the gate, but from backside energy is coming from here only. This is just on the way, this gate is coming away, but main energy here is coming from the earth, like this. It is just shifting. It is like a junction, but you see main energy is coming from the earth only. So this gate is not doing extraordinary work. This gate is continuation of this rhythm. But each room, yes, each room has its own door. That is why for this finger, this is the door. Behind the screen, you know that main guest, you enter your house from here, and then you go to your rooms. But main gate is this finally. Okay, now I will move with my pen, and please focus. Left hand, yin side. This is primary correspondence. According to basic system, secondary correspondence, primary and secondary. And in right hand, this is primary fingers, and this is secondary finger. Near the left thumb, left arm and left leg. Near the right thumb, right arm, right leg. Yes. So middle line dividing left and right. So these two fingers will make a pair while you observe energy flow, energy direction. So now see this line on the yin side, energy flows from leg to arm. So energy flows from leg to arm, leg, secondary, leg to arm. On right hand, leg, leg to arm, leg to arm, leg to arm. So, and then finally, this is the energy gate, and this is the this is also the gate, but continuation of this rhythm. Now, please tell me, you can open your mic, tell me, is this energy gate criteria you have understood on the yin side?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Understood? Okay. Now, let's go yang side. Yang side, see, read on the yang side. On the yang side, energy flows from arm to leg. So, arm to leg, arm to leg. So arm, this is arm, sujok arm. This is sujok arm. So main gate is here. Inside legs were together, that is why energy gate you saw as in this two, united. But arms are separated, that is why you see energy gate far. And in right hand, arm to leg, nail side, this is the energy gate. Energy gate. Sky energy. Sky energy. So, to first we do primary. Okay, let's go. To leg. Secondary. To leg. So, this is continuation of your main door, because in this finger, we need a door. Energy is coming from that. Finally, a final energy is from here. This is the same energy coming inside, but it is crossing this small door also. Not main door, but the energy moving inside this pipeline is coming from here finally. Same way, to egg, this is the main door, and this door is not doing any extra another work, but the same work, continuation of this energy, but it has to cross some junction. So this becomes your this becomes the door for this finger. So we should know the door for each finger. Okay, like in your living room, in your home, your main is connected to living room. So for example, this is your living room. Your guest comes here. This is the same guest, and now show this one comes in your living room, and then you will say, okay, now go to your bedroom. So this is the same guest coming here, but the same guest, but he has to open the door to come inside this room. But the guest is the same. Guest is not changed. So arm to leg, arm to leg, arm to leg, arm to leg. So finally, we have doors for all fingers. So you should know each finger will have door. You should, but main idea is your main door. You have to remember in this story, you have to know that main door is the area from where final energy is coming and going, like this main door. And this is the continuation of that same main energy. Continuation. This junction is supporting to continue the previous flow. Is this yang side energy flow clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Because here I cannot see chat box. I'm sharing my iPad. Now my iPad is on.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am. Understood. Yes, ma'am.
Now, treatment part. On these, once your gates are clear, your meridians are clear, your drawings are clear. Now, next is how to do treatment. And for treatment, we are using bar magnet and Buell magnet. So next step is treatment tools. Treatment tools on meridians. Right. First is explain one by one all bar magnet. Now first was uh, uh, this chapter. What we have done now is your entire focus was how to find the energy gate. So when you are learning, you have to learn like this. First, step by step. Yesterday also how to find pathway like this. Now today is how to find the energy gate. So this after understanding the energy gate, now treatment tools. After understanding treatment tools, rules and regulations, and then finally how to do practically on your patient. Step by step we are going. So what all treatment tools on meridian? Bar magnet, Biol magnet, and I will explain all one by one. Seeds, but I like to use this very much. 4-leaf, sorry, colors. Your mudra also, fingertips mudra. So these are the tools. So now you have to focus this one. Tools. First is, and this is about meridian world. First is bar magnet. I'll show first what is bar magnet. Can you see bar magnet? Because you have to tell me. My iPad is on the screen. I cannot.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to. You can see bar magnet. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay. Now, when you see this bar magnet, this is a magnet, and here you see color indication, some color symbols. So these color symbols are to inform us which pole. So this is like, technical work done by factory people. So magnet has property of North Pole and South Pole, and for tonification and sedation, we use North Pole and South Pole for tonification and sedation, and there is a technique how to apply. But this factory people, they have done coloring as a symbol so that you can know which part of magnet is North Pole and South Pole. In bar magnet, you will see that yellow and white, two colors, and when you turn this magnet, behind also yellow and white. It means behind the yellow, after turning, you will find yellow. Behind white, you will find white. So front and back, yellow, same direction. Why I'm telling you this? Because another magnet that is called Biol magnet will have different design. See, wait, I'm sharing that. Can you see this? Now, this is white, but when you turn this magnet, This is yellow. It means one side is yellow and the back of this is white. The other side is white. So two colors, yellow, white. Yellow, turn, you will find white. This is white, turn, yellow, turn, yellow. But in bar magnet, same color, both side. Yellow, yellow. Back side also same direction. So yellow, yellow. See? Feel this color. Yellow. Behind also yellow. White. We see from front side, back side. White is in the same direction. This is Biol magnet. Opposite. If you turn this, here now you see white, but when you turn, this is yellow. First, you should know this color difference, because these manufacturers and factory people, they have done purposely so that they can, indicate which pole is this. We'll write one rule of. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic, please, because echo is coming. Magnet rule. Energy flows energy flows from north to south. North to south. First, I'll draw and explain, then on my hand. North to south. So, when magnet was designed, so color, specific color, was decided to show the poles of the magnet. Now, North Pole, the rule. So, for bar magnet, because of this difference you saw, I told you Biol magnet behind yellow is white and bar magnet white, and both side white, same direction. So that is why we have to write a rule for bar magnet and Biol magnet differently. So this brick shape magnet is called bar. See, it looks like bar. This round shape magnet is called Biol magnet. So color story is different in both magnet. So bar magnet is like this. This is called bar magnet. You can keep both face. Is half yellow, half white. Biol magnet, yellow, one side yellow, and if you turn it, back view is white. Now, we'll write rule for bar magnet. Rule for, first of all, magnet rule we have written. This is important. Energy flows from north to south. Rule, bar magnet rule. So picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now energy flows from north to south. So in first of all, in bar magnet, wait, let me color this. So in bar magnet, white color represents north pole, yellow color represents south pole. North pole, south pole. Now when I say white color represents north pole, please keep this thing in your mind that both sides in bar magnet, front and back, both side white has same symbol north pole. But Buell magnet, back of your mind, the rule will change, because in Buell magnet one side is white. If this is white, just behind white is yellow. But in bar magnet, both direction, front and back white, so no problem. So white is always north pole. White is always north pole, whether you see from front side or you see from back side, north pole. So now why I have made all these directions, because we will practice how to do treatment in correspondence system as well as on meridian. So, and keep this sentence in your mind, that energy flows from north to south. North to south means north to south. North. So if white is north, then okay, let me first write all. This is north, this is south. North, south. White is north, south. Here in bar magnet, we can simply say white is north and yellow is south. But in Buell magnet, we can simply say this. So when I'm using talking this part, please pay attention. In bar magnet, very simple, very simple. White is north, yellow is south. But in Buell magnet, we cannot say this. You have to be ready to absorb new rule, to understand new rule for Buell magnet. Buell magnet is this small magnet, round magnet. So this is north, south, north, south, north, south, north, south. So energy flows from north to south means energy flow direction north to south. See, north to south. It means in this bar magnet, energy waves are moving, because energy is everywhere, but energy is moving in a specific direction. So in this bar magnet, energy is moving in this direction, north to south. Feel the essence, feel this arrow, and feel the energy movement like this. Energy is moving like this. So in this bar magnet, energy is moving like this. See how my pen is moving? Energy is moving like this. Feel this energy flow in the bar magnet. White, that is why white is Very important indication. Here, north to south. So energy is moving in this direction. In this bar magnet, energy is moving like this. North to south, 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 north to south. So energy is moving from north to south. In all bar magnet, energy is moving from north to south. Yes? Okay. If you have understood this, then I will give you one example. Let's say this is one finger. And this is meridian. And energy gate is here. This is the energy gate. Energy coming like this. Okay. And this is bar magnet. I put bar magnet here. So you have to focus two things. First is how energy is moving in the finger, and then focus how energy is moving in bar magnet. If this is middle finger, means I'm talking about liver meridian yin side. Let's say if I want to invite energy here, this meridian is weak. Why it is weak, I will talk this story later, because now our stay focused. Now our topic is magnet therapy, technical part. So your thoughts should not scatter here and there. Our mission is to learn this technical part of magnet, how to apply on the meridian for the purpose of tonification and sedation. So now you know that liver meridian with this main gate, energy should come like this. It's coming already inside like this, but it is very weak, means very slowly coming, very weak, feeble energy is coming, and I want to invite more, come inside, I need more. Then tell me which magnet I should apply to match this
Bar
meridian.
magnet.
Hmm?
Bar
1,
magnet.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for you. You have to
Two,
select
ma'am.
out.
Sorry. One, ma'am.
Now I expect answer from all.
One,
So
ma'am.
which magnet you will pick up to push the energy here in this meridian? Because my purpose is my energy should move like this.
One magnet.
One.
Are you sure?
One.
Yes, of course. If you're confident, you say, yes, I'm confident. Yes, I'm sure. Okay. So, yes, you are right. So, means now energy flows from north to south. And you know that this is north and this is south. And energy from white to yellow. So, in this bar magnet, energy shower is going, powerful energy is moving like this. This way, this way, this way. As soon as you will apply this magnet on this meridian, what will happen? This meridian has very feeble, weak energy now. But as soon as you will apply this direction magnet, what will happen? this energy gate, because shower inside is going this direction, so this magnet will pull the energy from the main gate, and then hush and bush, all energy with rush and hush, this energy will come inside this liver meridian. This magnet will encourage the energy flow on this meridian. Come inside. But if you apply this magnet, let's say number 2, if you apply number 2 magnet, liver actual energy is coming this side. We want to encourage the original energy flow of liver meridian, but with this application, what we are doing, energy flows from north, white to yellow, north to south. So in this bar magnet, how energy is moving? It is moving white to yellow. But now see, is this bar magnet matching with the natural flow of energy? This is the in the liver meridian, or it is going opposite?
Opposite.
Opposite. So will this application affect the meridian? Already there is deficiency in meridian. This meridian needs welcoming energy from the main gate, but this bar magnet is throwing out the energy towards the main gate. Bar magnet, you have to select that bar magnet which says please come inside, but you have selected here throwing out. Already the weak energy is there, already less energy is there in liver meridian, and whatever is little bit is left, you are throwing outside. Go, I don't need, go outside the gate. So white to yellow, see, so you have to feel what is the energy flow inside the magnet. You will pick up accordingly. So now, are you understanding? Yang side, I'll give you more examples. We will do many examples, don't worry. So white side is north and yellow is south. North, south. So energy is moving from north to south. North to south. So a 1 number, 2 number. You will tell me which magnet to apply. So let's say patient has. Okay, let us talk talk about diseases now. How you can understand that meridian is weak or excessive. Patient has constipation. Case 1. So now, based on our yesterday's learning, what is your diagnosis? Is this meridian problem? Is this pathway problem? Is this organ problem? Now, energy we will not talk. Just 2 things we will talk. Is this pathway story or organ story? What is your diagnosis?
Organ, ma'am. Large intestine.
Large intestine. So it is not pathway. Is there any constipation meridian? No. This is organ. Constipation is in the organ. So your diagnosis is organ. And then later, of course, you know, this is large intestine. And then this is large intestine organ. And finally, large intestine meridian. So organ consciousness is here. So finally, you will pick up large intestine meridian. So chronic cases, weak cases, what do you feel? This organ needs tonic. You need increase, you want to increasing tonification is like tonic. Remember this word tonic, easy to remember. Tonification is giving tonic to the organ. So now tell me, though there are many other views also, I step by step, sometimes patient needs sedation also, but later we will develop this sense. As a beginner, what is this first sense coming? Large intestine meridian tonification or sedation. In Suzhou, for tonification, we use, say, as a symbol, tonification symbol is arrow up. Sedation symbol is arrow down. Now what is coming at the moment? You would like to tonify large intestine meridian or sedate large intestine meridian?
Tonify, ma'am.
Hmm?
Tonify.
Tonify.
Yes, tonify. Because weak large intestine is not doing its role. That is why stagnation in the large intestine, energy is not good inside the large intestine, organ is weak. Yes, so chronic cases, patient needs tonification. Okay, but see, loose motions. Again, this is large intestine. You can think like this. But what
Yes.
you will do? What you will do? Lose motion. Unnecessary. We don't want this excessive motion. Motion is required, but not excessive.
Sedation.
Yes, it is sedation. So, if we increase tonify large intestine, then more motion will come. So we need to reduce the activity of large intestine or large intestine meridian. Simple way is your mission. You want to increase the activity of this organ or you want to decrease the activity of this organ. This is also one more way to think. Constipation, we wanted to increase the activity of large intestine. In loose motion, we want to decrease the activity of large intestine. So that is why in constipation, we do tonification of large intestine meridian. And in loose motion, we are doing sedation of large intestine meridian. So here is patient hand, simple. This is patient hand. This is patient hand. You can write one rule now, because which hand first choice? Which hand first choice?
Left.
Why? Why?
Easy to keep the.
No.
Right, ma'am.
See, please write. Hand choice. Two criteria. One is male and female criteria. Second is left and right criteria. In organ, we can choose organ diagnosis. Organ diagnosis, for example, it is large intestine. Large intestine comes under organ diagnosis. And pathway. You know what is pathway. So left male, we choose left hand in male. Like if you are doing treatment, which hand you will hold first? If person has organ disease, if male patient, you take left hand first choice. Female patient, you take right hand first choice. Why? There is a logic behind. You have understood hetero and homo? By ascending, expansion, creation, homo, contraction, descending, homo force, descending, contraction. So male is yang, male is hetero, female is homo. So when body into two parts, left side body and right side body, in our body we have homo and hetero vibration. We have all types of vibration. Left side of body, if all of us, left side of body has hetero vibration. Right side of body has more, I can say, not only hetero but more hetero vibration, and right side of body has more of homo vibration. So why? Prabhupada used to explain why, how you can say that left side body has hetero vibration. You go inside body and see the placement of the organs. Left kidney is up or not? Left kidney is up, and right side body, right kidney is little bit lower. You know the physiology, pathology. Left side kidney is up and right side kidney is down. Why? Up means hetero vibration, because hetero always like to go up and homo likes to go down. That is why left body has ascending vibration, so left kidney is up and right kidney is down. Another proof is when you see two lobes of liver, left lobe is going upward and right lobe of liver is going downward, because left body. Why left is going up? Because hetero vibration. If you see the design of drawing of large intestine organ, if you remember, here was stomach, so this is left side. So left side of large intestine is again going up, means left side of body has hetero vibration and right side of body has homo vibration. So male is hetero, female yin is homo. So in male body, because male is hetero, left side, because of similarity principle, for male, left body is more, vibration of left body is more closer to male, because male itself is hetero, and within this hetero full body, again when you divide, left side is hetero. So male likes to interact with the hetero part. Very good communication is between hetero and male is hetero and left side body is hetero, so that is why very good communication between hetero. Female is homo and right side of body is homo, so very good interaction with right. That is why in female is homo and female energy is homo, and in body right side is homo. So because of similarity, good interaction between two homos. That is why female or right hand. If person has if female has organ disease and you choose meridian, right hand first choice. Of course, if not getting result, then we come to other hand. So for female, right hand first, and for female, left hand first. Is it clear now? So male, left hand first choice, and female, right hand first choice. Is it clear, please? Please let me know. I told you that I can.
Yes, understood.
Understood.
Yes. Whenever I am with my iPad out of the screen, on my desktop, I just have my iPad. I don't see toolbar, chat box. No, I cannot see. Okay. But when there is male and female criteria, okay. Oh, you have to do little bit correction. Pathway is, I want you to write again, please. But my explanation is correct, only writing part. Pathway, if pathway diagnosis, left and right. Left, right. Organ diagnosis, male female criteria. You can please rewrite or cut it and write again. Male female. Example. Now pathway diagnosis. Let's say patient says I have left migraine. I have left migraine. Then patient has problem in left gallbladder meridian, then you don't have choice. You should go to left meridian, gallbladder meridian first choice, not right hand gallbladder meridian first choice. It is so simple. If patient says, doctor, I have sciatica pain on the back side of, I feel pain on the back side of my right leg, and yesterday you saw backside, I told you UV meridian is very famous for treating back diseases. So on the back of right leg, UV meridian is there. And patient says, doctor, I have right leg sciatica, right leg UV meridian paining. Then you don't need any rule. Right problem, right hand. Left problem, left hand. Pathway means outer level, surface level. This side problem, left hand first choice. This side problem, right hand first choice. Organ problem, in male, hold left hand first. Female, hold right hand first. Male female criteria means for male, left hand first, hold left hand, and for female, hold right hand. Now tell me, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, if it is organ in the left side, like stomach,
Okay. Very good question. See, stomach is located on the left side, but stomach is getting metaphysical nourishment from two meridians. So here we don't follow. Follow left side stomach, so choose left hand, and liver right side, choose right hand. No, organ criteria, male and female criteria. Even though stomach is located on the left side, nourishment is coming from both stomach meridians. Left stomach meridian is busy in sending energy in stomach. Right stomach meridian is also busy. So here we don't have left and right, because Please remember, behind the stomach organ, how many pipelines are providing energy to stomach organ? 2. So out of 2, which meridian you will select? Both meridians are giving energy to stomach organ. So if male patient has stomach disease, choose left stomach meridian, because left stomach meridian is more closer to male, help more. And if female has stomach diseases, first choice, right stomach meridian. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Now, tonification and sedation. Okay, we can have a break. Oh my God. You want break? Or I
Yes.
continue?
Yes.
Break? Small break. Okay. 7 minutes break. Break time. Okay, so connecting with my iPad now. We'll continue our topic. Please mute your mic. Please mute. Meron, your mic. Just a moment, please. Because when I'm connecting with iPad, it takes little time. Share screen. So now we'll continue. Recording is on. If you see that recording is not on, please send me reminder. Immediately you can say that. Sometimes because I forget. So recording is there. Again, I'm connected with iPad and now I cannot see the screen.
Yes, ma'am, it's on.
So once you understand this energy flow, then how to apply bar magnet? This is spinal cord meridian. Let's say now spinal cord meridian. If patient has aggressive symptoms, acute symptoms, our first choice is sedation. Again, if patient has acute symptoms, aggressive symptoms, disease expression is very clear, patient can feel pain, yes, like energy speaking to you, it is understood that aggressive, acute. If you see loose motion and constipation, which symptom is aggressive? Loose motion. Yes, when energy is bubbling and expressing. So loose motion, expression of disease. In which case you feel expression is very strong? Loose motion or constipation?
Loose motion.
Low fever or high fever? Expression is strong, aggressive.
I
Spinal patient has acute pain in lumbar area. Lumbar is part of spinal cord. Cervical is also part of spinal cord. Thoracic is also part of acute pain in lumbar and dull pain in lumbar. Or we can say non-expressive disease on the surface, some degenerative processes there on spinal cord. Yes, inside it is degenerative process. Another patient has acute pain. Please mute your mic after speaking, giving answer. You give answer, open your mic, and you should have a very good. You have to be expert when you attend online classes. Open your mic immediately. Mute yourself. Unmute, mute. Your fingers. You have to master this. So now it is clear. Aggressive acute expression. Sedate first. When patient can tell you clearly, yes, or if medical cases show hyper word, hyper is what? This medical report is very clear. Hyper is also whenever you, so this is giving you the sense of excessiveness. Okay, so acute lumbar pain, then it is spinal cord meridian. First choice, what you will do? Why I say first choice? Because there is also a second choice. If sedation is not giving result, then we give tonification like this. That I will tell you later step by step. But we are focusing just first choice. So let's say patient has lumbar pain, cervical pain, he can have one small part of spinal cord also, not necessarily that whole spinal cord is paining. So let's say lumbar pain. Now, before I apply magnet on the meridian, I want to tell that for bar magnet, we have to choose for treatment purpose. Your application is on the distal junctions. Means this. And why? We have 3 joints. First of all, this meridian is here from tip to down, but we cannot apply bar magnet here or here or here. We have a special place. First thing is we have to apply on the junction, joint, junction, because junctions are like, railway stations, junctions where, these junctions energize the trains. So these junctions are very important in meridian world. So first thing is that you have to choose a junction. We have 3 junctions, 1, 2, 3. But why this only? Trinity concept, if you know this. Trinity, hetero, homo, hetero, neutro, homo. Hetero is top, homo is bottom, down, descending, and neutro is the middle, balancing. Or you can see this picture like this. This is balancing force, neutro force, balancing force. So that is when neutro is in the middle. If you understand this story, fingertips, nails, or we can say distal part. And this is lower base. Base, where is the base of the finger? According to level 1. If you remember when I was teaching insect system, I told you this is the tip and this is the base. So which joint is hetero? 1, 2, 3. Which joint is hetero? First joint. Homo?
Third.
3. Third.
3. Good. Middle 2 number is neutro. Now out of 3, if you have understood little bit characteristics of hetero and homo, which force likes change? changing,
Hetero, ma'am.
which
Hetero.
Hetero.
change, yes. Hetero yang, hetero likes change. So our purpose of treatment is from illness to wellness. So we need to see the change from illness to wellness. Change, this big change, which force can help quickly? Of course, all forces are good. Which force can help quickly?
Hetero.
Homo does not like change. Neutral is moderate, of course, but we need strong change. So which force? Hetero. That is why which joint? Hetero joint, distal joint. So now idea is that if you choose meridian, these are the places for application of your bar magnet, hetero joint of each finger, whether you see this or right, left hand, right hand. Okay, so this idea is clear. Now magnet application. So this magnet application, one baby tip if I give you now, you will become very happy because very simple tip. Though I have already explained that energy flow in the magnet, energy flow in the meridian, and if you apply the bar magnet towards the flow of the energy, let's say if this in this spinal cord meridian, energy is coming like this from sky, from down to up, and here it is going like this, making U-turn, it is going like this. And here if you apply magnet like this, north pole, south pole, means white, yellow, like this, so it means it is towards the flow. Your bar magnet energy is matching with the natural energy of meridian, so it will give tonification. Same, you know, if your bar magnet arrow and your meridian arrow direction is in the same direction, it is giving tonification effect. If you apply, for example, this way, this is the natural flow of meridian, and if you apply like this, white, this is yellow side, and this is north pole and yellow is pole, it means it is going like this. Now you see your magnet is going against the natural flow. So in technical language, if you apply bar magnet against the energy flow of the meridian, it will give sedation effect. If your bar magnet energy flow is matching with the natural flow of the energy of the meridian, then it will give tonification effect. So this is technical language. You should know this. But now I'm giving you baby tip, which we are not using in our academic language. We don't use out of this class. Just as a when I say baby tip, it means it is not academic language. It is just to motherly tip to help you to quickly catch the idea. So simple baby tip is white. If you white is facing the main gate, it is like welcoming the energy or tonification the energy. Yellow is like stop. White color is like tonification, like milk. White. So small baby tip is, for example, in basic system, I told you that near the left thumb is left arm, near the right thumb is right finger. So here the baby tip is, if white color is near the main energy gate, it is tonification. But if yellow color is facing the energy gate, it is sedation. So you can write this baby tip quickly, and then I will rub this. White color facing the energy gate is tonification. White color facing the main energy gate also. Write this main. White color facing the main energy gate is tonification. Next. Yellow color facing the main energy gate is sedation. Means if your bar magnet white color is to the main gate, it will tonify the meridian. If yellow color of bar magnet is facing the main gate, it will sedate the meridian. So in both hand, I will draw this drawing. So can you tell me which, if you have understood this baby tip, then can you tell me, beginner will give me answer. First person who's attending for the first time, because revision people, they already know. So please tell me, left hand or right hand, which hand is showing spinal cord meridian tonification and which hand is showing spinal cord meridian sedation?
The right hand is tonification, ma'am. Left hand is sedation.
Do you agree? Everybody. Is it correct answer? Do you agree with this answer? Chat box I cannot see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This
Baby,
diagram is so small, I can't make out anything, ma'am. The diagram is very small, ma'am.
But it is occupying my desktop screen. It is big for me. Are you watching on mobile?
Yes, ma'am.
Mobile I
Ma'am.
cannot. Yeah, mobile of course you will see small. But what about others? If you're watching on laptop, these kinds of classes you should attend on laptop, because all these micro points and all these magnet application, you need big screen.
Right hand tonification, ma'am.
So do you
And
see
left
this
hand
picture?
sedation.
Yes, picture is clear or not? If you are
Yes,
watching
it's
on
clear.
laptop.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear. Clear, ma'am.
Clear. Okay. So now,
Right is sedating, right is tonification and left is sedation.
perfect. Okay.
Yeah,
So we'll
so,
play a game.
ma'am, I have a question, Meenakshi this side. I have a question. One is that since we have 3 meridians passing, and the bar magnet that you showed us
Will
on
not touch. No. No. See, this is your slide drawing, but see on the hand. I'll show. See, is it touching? Can you see my finger?
Okay,
It is just.
got it.
It is on picture, yes, because that bar magnet I have made broader size.
ठीक है. Thank you, ma'am.
But on finger you can use very freely. So now we will play a game and you all have to participate, and you have to tell me what I have done. Now tell me what I have done.
Kidney
Blue line,
meridian tonified.
you are not focusing energy gate. This finger energy gate. Where is this finger gate? Where
It
is
is
the door?
sedated, madam.
Why?
It is
Why?
This is against the curve. This is against the curve, madam. The gate will be on the from the forefinger, and it will be coming from below the middle finger, madam. U curve.
Technical language, I gave very simple baby tip. If white is facing the energy gate, it is tonification. If yellow is facing the energy gate, it is sedation. This finger, now just focus, this is this finger. Where is the door of this room?
Arm to length, arm to leg,
This
madam.
is why they are showing these arrows.
Down,
Making,
madam.
this is gate for this finger. Originally, I told you
Down.
behind This main living room gate is this. But in this finger now, to enter this finger, you have to cross this door. So now tell me, baby tip, based on the baby tip. Yellow is facing the energy gate. Sedation. Sedation.
Sedation.
Simple, baby tip. White is facing the energy gate, it is tonification. So which meridian is blue line? Which meridian is this? UB, UB meridian sedation. If person has urinary tract infection, in some burning sensation, cannot control urine, hyperactivity of urinary bladder, is this application good? What we are
Yes,
doing? Yes. Hyperactivity, sedation is first choice. Weak bladder, then is this application correct? What is the meaning of this application?
Tonification.
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 Baby tip is easy or not? White facing the energy gate, tonification. Yellow facing the energy gate, sedation. Simple. Technical language also I have given you, but this is again baby tip. In one sentence, you can understand this complete magnet therapy. If you are very confident about the gates, in each finger will have gate. This finger gate is this one. Middle finger gate is this one. This little finger gate is this one. So first thing is to understand this baby tip, you should know the energy gate of each finger, and then simply, if white is facing the energy gate, will tonify the meridian. If yellow will face the energy gate, will sedate that meridian. Simple, finished. Okay, now next, yin side. Now, you see, when patient is coming to you, you will not make all drawings of energy gate. After learning, making all drawings in your notebook and looking PPT, practicing, then you are applying bar magnet on empty blank hand of patient. We will not make gates also. But we are drawing energy gates, making drawings because we are learners. As a professional, you will just put one magnet on the finger without making energy gate. Mentally, you will visualize, okay, this is energy gate like this. So now you tell me what I have done.
Brain magnet tonify.
Very good. Why? Because this is your energy gate. Yes. And this U-turn is already telling you the story. Why this U-turn is there? But in patient hand, you will not see these arrows. But on pictures, you can see this indication. So in this finger, this is the door. From here, guests, you all can go inside this finger. This arrow means entry from this side. So white is looking the gate. This is tonification. Means if patient has weak memory, some brain weakness is there, organ is weak, some situation is there where you find that some degenerative process is there. Yes, then we need tonification. Sometimes in insomnia, chronic insomnia means brain function is not good. Acute insomnia, acute case suddenly happened, we do sedation first. Long-term disease, months and months, years, 4 months, 5 months, 12 months, 4 years, 5 years. This is chronic. And in all chronic cases, what you need tonification. How many minutes, hours, that is another thing. Because treatment rules, tomorrow we will finish. And then we will start our, again, treatment journey will continue. Day after tomorrow, another set of diseases, different types of diseases. So tell me, what is this now? So I'm telling you, if you will not learn, practice this tonification sedation technique, then tomorrow's lesson will go more advanced. So that is why you have to be, if you have joined second level, you're going towards higher level, you have to be very thorough with your previous lesson. This is not just theory and you can jump and you can just, even you miss small part of your lesson, you will not understand complete 3 hours lesson tomorrow. You will not understand. So now tell me what I have done here.
Tonification, ma'am.
Liver meridian tonification.
Very good. Perfect answer is liver meridian tonification. Tonification of what meridian? Which meridian? Liver meridian tonification. Simple. White facing energy gate is tonification. Yellow facing the energy gate is sedation. Okay. Then this one. That is why I told you. Previous lesson is heart meridian. Yes.
Heart meridian tonify.
Very good. Excellent. It means you have practiced well. You know, this red line means this is heart meridian. That was previous lesson. If you have done good revision of your previous lesson, today you are catching. If you do good revision of today's lesson, tomorrow's lesson you will catch. So this is heart meridian tonification. Like, for example, if person BP is low, blood pressure is less. What do you think? You need to give, if BP is less, blood pressure is going down, will you sedate or tonify?
25, ma'am.
25. But if BP
25.
is high, then what you will do?
Sedate.
If then you, yes, sedate. Good. Now you are getting the understanding. See, in picture I make broad bar magnet, but you are getting the essence. Drawing is not important, but see the direction, color, which color is facing the energy gate. So now this is called individual meridian tonification and sedation. Sometimes we will do, in this treatment, in this journey, sometimes we do one meridian, individual meridian treatment, double 2 meridians treatment. We do 3 also, we do 4 also, possible. So, but this is called, and you will learn everything. So this is called individual meridian diagnosis, individual meridian treatment. Now let's talk about biomagnet. Now, what is the color symbol? If you see yellow, back side is not yellow, back is white. So, Biol magnet color symbols and bar magnet showing change. Always have this thing in your mind. Bar magnet colors and Biol magnet colors have, you have to understand that both are not same. Now, let's focus this.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Hanji, yes, please. Please ask.
Ma'am, here, if for some reason we have sedated spleen meridian and the gate is down, so will the other meridian get affect? How the energy will?
No, it will not affect. It will not affect because see, spleen meridian. This is spleen meridian sedation. And this is the gate. This is, for example, this is the gate. And yellow facing the gate, this is spleen meridian sedation. Now see, this meridian is not clashing with the center meridian. It will not affect neighbor meridian. See, what is your question?
The energy flows from arms to legs.
Yes,
I mean,
but it
to arms in inside.
Yes,
so it will
like this.
It will go to this way. Yes, ma'am. That is my doubt.
Yes. So it will not affect. Don't worry. If liver meridian, you see, there is a very, you will study long biol. There is a very beautiful harmony between liver and sorry, spleen. This meridian will, because energy coming here and it will go here. If you sedate here, you mean to say that if I block this energy, then what will happen to this meridian? Because
Yes,
it is
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
coming from here. Yes, I understand. So you say that this energy is coming here, but in this meridian is receiving energy from the main gate, but this is metaphysical meridian, and also it has its own it has more, you know, metaphysical gates from where this meridian is continuously receiving the energy. Actually, metaphysical world has many gates, that is why we say main gate. This is main gate here. So this meridian is not affected at all if you block this energy. Yes, this, now please understand, if you, for example, you block this energy, sedation, this blocking is for harmonization. Please understand this. This is not, you are not stopping the energy at all. This sorry, this blocking, for example, this blocking, this is sedation. So you are not stopping energy. It is like this meridian has started receiving energy from the main gate in a bulk, receiving more than moderate range, aggressive receiving. So it is very good to do sedation, and this sedation will not close the door. It will help meridian to return back to the normal flow. Receiving will continue, but in a moderate and natural form. And it is very important for this meridian also. So today this meridian is not showing any disease, but if this meridian continuously, we don't treat this meridian and continuously excessive or deficiency, but after few years this heart will show some disease, or this is, sorry, spleen with lung. Later you will understand, not heart but spleen will meet. Now only I will tell you. But some meridian, because it is interacting while making U-turn, it is interacting with this with some meridian. So please catch this idea. If you're sedating this meridian or you are tonifying this meridian, you are not exactly closing the door or opening the door. You are harmonizing the energy. So this sedation means that the aggressive energy coming from the main gate, this magnet will stop aggressive activity, and then finally natural flow, God's flow, what God has designed for us naturally. See, if we don't interrupt God's flow, all our lifestyle is interrupting our natural flow. That is why disease is. So if we don't interrupt our natural flow, that is why we say meditation and more of natural activity, so that we are aligned with the natural flow. So if we don't interrupt with the natural flow, disease will not stay in the body. So this bar magnet will harmonize the meridian. So always keep this thing in your mind, that this is sedation, but sedation does not mean sedating natural flow, sedating aggressive flow and returning back to the natural. So this sedation will not have this magnet, because ultimate purpose is harmony. This meridian, as soon as it is very important that this meridian should achieve harmony state, because otherwise it will affect future. Did you understand? So without fear,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to
Yes,
work.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so like wherever the gate is, the hetero will come in the top, not near the gate.
All these joints are hetero joints. See, these are all joints hetero joint. It's not about gate.
Okay.
See, gate is here. So these are all hetero joint. These are all hetero joint. Okay. So now after grasping this, you forget this. After, what is your, now where is your application area? This is your application area. That's it, and finish now. You have understood why we are using this joint, and then now finish this topic. See, this is your application area, and now why I said finish this topic. Now you just focus the energy the gates, and then you do tonification and sedation. So we have to choose these joints for our treatment in bar magnet application. But in Biol magnet, we need two joints, this, and I will explain this now. Your bar magnet application is clear or not? And I want to go to Biol magnet.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
It's all clear.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, is there any chance going in deficiency beyond the harmonize? If we keep the magnet, you said it will harmonize.
It will harmonize.
Is there any chance to go beyond in the line of deficiency area, or it will stop in the harmonize area when when the organ comes to the normal? Does it stops?
Yes, see, I will explain this story. That is why we have a rule. How many hours we have to put bar magnet, in which condition we have to remove bar magnet, and in which condition we have to change the direction. That is coming in the way. I will
Okay.
Don't worry, I will do this. Now, step by step, I will be introducing Biol magnet. As I told you, different for Biol magnet. Biol magnet means if one side is yellow, other side is white. So the rule is, a bar magnet, you used one joint. You can write in your bar magnet rules. I have cleaned that, erased that. Bar magnet, you are using hetero joint. But Biol magnet, because this is round magnet and bar magnet was this kind of magnet, it means bar magnet has, you can imagine as if two magnet attached, making one piece. That twins or that togetherness you can see. But Biol magnet means separation. And bar magnet means both poles in one container. Both piece, north and south pole, in one box. That is why one joint was enough. And when you split into two piece, now as if cut. So two magnets appear in round shape. Because two pieces, one Biol magnet is north and one Biol magnet is south. I will explain this how. But first is where to apply. Because two pieces, so you will apply, you need both two joints. One is for sure hetero joint, no doubt at all. You cannot, that is very important. First, that is for sure. Second option, if you need second, can you use, which joint you will like to use, homo or neutro for your progressive treatment? Homo or neutro?
Neutro, ma'am.
Neutro, because
Neutro.
balancing, harmony. So this is the rule. If you are using Biol magnet, this is roughly I'm making this meridian or this meridian, means idea is you need two joints. Is it clear? First rule of Biol magnet, bar magnet one joint, Biol magnet two. Now in bar magnet, behind white is white and behind yellow is yellow. But in Biol magnet, if this is yellow, behind is white. If this is, if this is white, then behind is yellow. So then which magnet is then which magnet is North Pole? In bar magnet, it was very easy to say that white is North Pole and yellow is South Pole. But in Biol magnet, different story. See, for example, this is skin. This is finger skin. Yes, and this is round magnet. And when you fix this magnet with the help of paper tape, because see, if top is white, then skin touching is what? Yellow. White is not coming. Try to understand this. Yes, see. Can you see my hand? Which color do you see on the top?
White, ma'am.
Yellow,
This.
yellow,
You don't see paper tape. Paper tape.
yellow.
Yes. See the color of magnet. Which color you see? Top of magnet.
Yellow.
This is but
Yellow,
in
yellow.
Biol, and then skin touching. See skin touching. What is skin touching?
White.
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 Please. Yes. Okay. Now. And in this finger, which color you see on the top?
White.
White. And see, skin touch color?
Yellow.
Yellow. So is it same like magnet? No. And if you see bar magnet, if I remove this skin touching, if top is yellow and skin touching is also yellow. So Biol magnet is different. If you see top white, then skin touching is yellow.
Yellow.
Okay. Please keep this thing in your mind. If you see top yellow, then skin touching is white. So now tell me, if I apply magnet like this, what do you think? The property of magnet, which is touching the skin, is working for you, or which is touching the paper tape is working for you?
The one touching the skin.
Skin
Obvious.
touching is working.
Working. Perfect. Perfect. Then, which is North Pole? So the definition is, in Biol magnet, if you see top view, now we when we are teaching or when we study books, so we use top view, like we say white is North Pole. Why we say top? Because easy to see, but absorption is, if I say white is North Pole, then you should know yellow touching the skin and white top. The whole definition is yellow down. When yellow is down, white is top, it is called North Pole. If white is down, when down, it means it is touching the skin. White is down, yellow is, it is called South Pole. Some shortcut, simple way, we use same criteria, because so long, touching, down, up, one sentence finish. Yellow is North Pole, white is South Pole. It is understood, because we have understood that touching is working. So in a simple way, I say white North Pole, But whole definition is white top, yellow down. But we have to simplify this using the scene criteria, because see, I cannot do like this again and again. Simple. White scene, what is meaning? White scene is North Pole, yellow scene is South Pole. So we add one word, SEEN, scene. Yellow scene is South Pole in Biol magnet, white scene is North Pole. Touching, automatically we know what is down is working actually as a North Pole or South Pole. So if I say yellow scene is South Pole, you know the white touching down is working as a South Pole. So as a simple baby tip, inside your consciousness now you know that whatever is touching, whatever color is touching is working. Paper, the color which is touching the paper tape is not working. But for our easy understanding, just for namesake, we say yellow scene is South Pole, because easy to see and describe. Yellow scene. This application is called South Pole and this application is called North Pole. So now we will just say these words scene. Finally, I close this sentence. Yellow scene South Pole, white scene North Pole. Simple. Did you understand the definition? North Pole and South Pole? Yes. So white. Okay. Now, because in bar magnet, you can imagine bar magnet as if two pieces together. As if two pieces together. That is why one joint was enough. Now split and we need two joints. Same pattern. In bar magnet treatment, I told you, baby tip, if white is facing the energy gate, it is tonification. Only thing is split two pieces. Now in liver meridian, in bar magnet, it was like this. Same meaning, because this in this bar magnet, this structure is organized like this, that we don't need two places. But now the essence of energy gate is the same. White scene, this is the energy gate. White scene, the white looking the energy gate is tonification. So what is this now? White looking the energy gate is tonification. So pure bar magnet, white looking the energy gate is sedation. Energy gate concept in Biol and bar magnet is the same. So now tell me, we will do it on the writing pad. Oh, it is hand. So let's say I want to do kidney meridian tonification. Now I have explained everything. If you see Biol magnet, you know what is touching the skin. This picture means top view. Touching we cannot see at all. So whenever you see pictures in books, it is understood that you are looking top view. Below white is yellow touching the skin. So that is why I made this diagram. If you see white top, this is the skin. If you see white top, or we are using this word, white scene, yellow hidden. And actually this is touching the skin. But to simplify, we just use this word, white scene is called is North Pole. Okay, white scene is called North Pole. So now, what is this? Tonification of or sedation of which meridian? What I have done here? Visualize energy gate and then correlate or synchronize with your baby tip
Tonification
of blue line.
Yes.
Which meridian?
Tonification of kidney meridian.
Very good. Now, first choice when I use for I in my clinical practice, if I have bar magnet, I like to use this first choice because easy and one joint and just one application. But if you don't have choice, then you can use Buell magnet. But it is good that you experience both before you decide that what you want to use. Now tell me, what is this? Visualize energy gate. I'm not making energy gate now. I actually I will show black now. Energy gate, at least you can see all these U-turns very easily. You can see what is this?
Sedation of brain, sedation of heart meridian.
Wrong.
Tonify heart meridian.
This is the finger. And where is the energy gate in this finger? See, this arrow is showing you, telling you again and again. This is from here energy is coming inside. In this finger, from where energy is coming inside? From here it is coming inside, from here it is coming, from here or from here. 4 direction. From where energy is coming? This arrow is explaining, showing you the direction. Answer is on the screen. So this is, for this finger, this is the energy gate. For this finger, these fingers energy gate. Finger, this is the energy gate. Forget this energy gate. Yang side, this is the energy gate.
बोलो नहीं सांस में ध्यान.
Please mute your mic. We can hear your family background voices. These are the energy gates.
अभी इस वक्त साइन का ध्यान. ये नहीं दे रहा तुम्हें कुछ भी.
Please mute your mic. We can hear your voice. So now, if you are aware of energy gate, so this is heart meridian tonification, because white look facing the energy gate. Now see, I have to highlight the energy gate because we have not good idea to visualize. Actually, in patient hand, we will not have energy gate diagrams. That is why your homework today is please practice gates in all fingers. And also I want to tell in thumb also, later I will explain. Now, energy gate. Once again, please. This part, last part of today's class, please be very thorough because tomorrow's continuity is based on this. Now I'm making...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please say. I don't have your clear voice. Yes. Please, what do you want to ask? What do you want to ask? Okay, I don't have your voice. Now see, I'm marking energy gate of each finger. Please master this. Okay, see this recording, this part of recording, last part of a record. Yang side, here you see all red marking is energy gate. Each finger has energy gate. Main gate, I have written sky. Here, main gate is earth. But here marking, I'm making for each finger. This U itself, it is explained.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please. You can say what
Ma'am,
you say.
I was getting a call from someone, ma'am, so the connection got cut. Morning,
Okay.
I'm having loose motion. I have dogs in my now. The vehicle has come. I will come and watch the recording, madam. Kindly excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Just
Thank
few
you, ma'am.
minutes. Okay. Please watch
Thank you.
the recording. Yes. Okay.
The cab driver is continuously calling me, ma'am.
Huh?
Thank you. Cab driver is continuously calling me, ma'am.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you.
Don't worry. Yes. Okay. Okay. So now I have marked energy gate, and now after knowing the energy gates on the yin hand and yang hand, second tip is that when white, whether it is Biol magnet or bar magnet, top you should see white. White facing the energy gate will give tonification. Yellow facing the energy gate will give sedation. In bar magnet, you need one joint, hetero joint. Biol magnet, you need two joints, hetero and neutral joint. In bar magnet, North Pole and South Pole are together. And in Biol magnet, North Pole, South Pole as if cut into two pieces. That is why two joints. So this part you have to revise. Then only we can enjoy practicing on diseases. Now, last few minutes, not more than 10 minutes. Please don't leave the class. I want to introduce this U-turn connection, because when energy comes from leg to arm, each meridian is merging with the leg meridian is merging with the arm meridian, because it is U-turn. You should know that which meridian is merging with which meridian. Okay. And on that basis, tomorrow I will introduce that in how to, when and how to, or when, in which cases we need two meridian treatment. This what I introduced today is one meridian, single meridian treatment, just one organ problem, one pathway. Sometimes patient can have problem in two meridians, in which conditions you can use two meridians. For that purpose, now I'm explaining these arrows connection. Now, it's not difficult. It's very simple, but you need to focus. See, meridian center is located in the center of the finger. So when lever meridian will make U-turn, it will meet the center meridian, brain meridian. See, it is very systematically. Low battery. Just showing low battery. So lever meridian is meeting brain. It cannot go like lever meridian is in the center and it cannot go this way, or it cannot go this way. Center will flow in the center, maintaining rule. Center. This side, this meridian is this side. So you see, kidney meridian will meet heart meridian. Spleen meridian, this towards thumb side. Spleen meridian, this side towards the thumb will meet lung meridian. See here. When I have written earth and sky, it means that is the starting point. Earth on the yin side, starting point. Sky on the yang side, starting point. So, you see, this liver meridian will meet brain meridian. Center. Spleen, this side, towards the thumb. So, this direction, spleen meridian will maintain the same direction, will meet this side. Kidney meridian, this side, will meet heart meridian. As a result, now I'm writing this. After merging, two meridians become one long biole. You see, liver meridian, when it meets the brain meridian, it is this U-turn. This junction is just a U-turn, but when you open this in body, it is long meridian. Both meridian, when you open this loop, this rope as if taking U-turn, but when you open, it becomes long meridian. So these meridians are called biole meridian. I told you. In Sujok, all meridians we say these are biole meridian. But when two meridians become one, it becomes long biole meridians. Let us write. So two meridians becoming one. It's called long biole meridian. Now, on the inside, just few minutes. It is simple. That is why I said. So this lesson plan is finished after this. On the inside, liver meets brain. And we say liver and brain become liver and brain meridian. Spleen meridian, I'm writing meets lung meridian, and spleen, lung meridian, one meridian. Then kidney meridian meets heart meridian. Kidney and heart become one. This is on the yin side. On the yang side, let us see first. On the yang side, see, sky is main gate, so you start your journey from sky, main gate. Center meeting center, spinal cord will meet gallbladder meridian. Then large intestine, same direction meeting stomach meridian. Then small intestine meeting the same direction, see, UB meridian. Here also spinal cord meeting gallbladder. Large intestine meeting stomach. Then small intestine meeting UB. So the yang side, spinal cord plus gallbladder. When these two meridians meet, they become spinal cord. So it means like now united gallbladder, spinal cord and gallbladder meridian united. Next is large intestine plus stomach, so united. Large intestine and stomach meridian united. First we see individual, then united. So this is called individual meridian, and once two meridian meet, it is equal to long biole. Two individual meridian when meeting creates long biole, 2 in 1. Last is large intestine, we have done spinal cord, and small intestine meridian meets UB meridian and finally creates small intestine and UB meridian. So this is individual meridian, individual spinal cord meridian, individual gallbladder meridian. But when united, it creates long biole, spinal cord meridian, GB meridian, as just as if this is U-turn and you open, it becomes, when you open this U-turn, stretch, it becomes long biole meridian. On this level, you open like this, see. This is U-turn, 2 fingers, and you open, this becomes long bure. So you have to revise this, and then we will continue. See, this is long bure. So this is your homework. Please practice long bure meridian drawing, and then we will continue our lesson tomorrow. And if you have any question, for first practice, draw, complete your notes, and then if you have any question before starting my tomorrow's class, you can ask your question. Okay. I hope today's lesson theme is clear. Learning part, of course, you need time, but if theme is clear, then you will enjoy practicing and learning. Now you can speak or write. Now I have disconnected with my iPad.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Very good. Revise your lesson. Yes, please revise your lesson, because tomorrow's lesson will take another leap, higher leap. This base, this is very important. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Ma'am, I had a question. Ma'am, you had given a tip for reducing fever, like emergency treatment, dipping the fingertips in cold water. So, ma'am, how long do we do that, ma'am? Like,
just because you see, you cannot make those fingers frozen. So you have to keep this thing in your mind that you cannot disturb natural circulation of the fingers. So dip, and you know that peak. If you keep more, your fingers will become numb. Before it becomes numb and absolutely frozen, remove that. You have to make it cold, nice cold fingers, but at the same time, you should have this awareness that we don't damage our fingertips.
ma'am, so how long does one do that? I tried it.
You just experiment on yourself. Dip your fingertips, stay there for a few seconds, and then feel, see how much you can tolerate, and then remove. Then dip, just few seconds actually.
Ma'am, so I did it for my daughter because she's having viral and getting very high fever. So the last dose I gave her paracetamol, she vomited it out. So I'm not very sure how much has gone to stomach, so I can't give her another dose. I tried that, but firstly, she was not able to dip the fingers for very long, hardly 10 seconds. She was dipping the fingers, and then
take out, then dip again, then take out, rest. Wait for the circulation, then dip like this. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, like how long do we keep doing this?
This you can continue for I think 5 minutes. It depends for children actually. Yeah, not more. It depends.
Well, I think we did for about 5 minutes, but maybe might have brought down.
And then you paint all fingertips with dark blue using sketch pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
ma'am, but like you have mentioned that colors should be used in the day.
But like see, color are very well, color shows effect in daylight, because color interacts with the daylight.
Yes,
but at the same time, nighttime is feeble, less interaction, but still you can do it. Only thing is daytime, good interaction.
Ma'am, so after that, do we remove it? Like if we put it down after 2 hours?
That is why you use bold marker or whiteboard marker, sorry.
Okay,
easy
ma'am.
to remove. Whiteboard marker, easy to remove.
Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Yes, and then also please take care, because these days fever is not just simple fever. If it is simple viral fever, it will go. If it is not going, even after application, then you should know the cause. Then we need medical support. But this fever, actually, it comes to protect us, fight. Our immune system is fighting with the virus, because immune system is creating fire in the body so that virus is killed.
Yes, ma'am.
But at the same time, this fire, if this fire is very high and continuously, then it can damage also.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please take care. This viral fever, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days is okay.
Right, ma'am.
How your child is responding to this fever, if child is energy level is drooping down and not feeling, not showing the good energy, you have to find more reasons like this.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, like by the second, third day, the energy does drop down and the appetite also goes down. She was
If
fine.
natural symptoms within the moderate range are okay, if you
Yes,
see it is abnormal, then you should consult the doctor.
ma'am. We've already consulted a doctor, but then medicine also takes time to affect. It's not.
Yeah. So
Yes,
please
ma'am.
do those tips
Yes,
and then paint all fingertips with dark blue color.
dark blue, ma'am. And ma'am, would moxa help in
No,
fever?
no moxa in high fever.
Heat. Yes.
No. Later, once fever is controlled, and then to recover the energy levels, then later you can do moxa, but not in present moment.
Right.
In the present moment, ice.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine evening, ma'am.
Smile evening. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye. Smile evening. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
See you tomorrow. Bye.